the flowers.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also
1.
press this bell icon.
Flower.
Yoo-hoo!
Count the light bulbs. 1, 2. How many?
Oh no!
Count the 1 trees. How many?
Let's go!
Count the 1 ice creams. How many?
Oopsies!
Count the seahorses. How many seahorses are there?
Oopsie!
Count the triangles. How many?
Ouch!
Count the apples. How many apples are there?
Hooray!
Count the squares. 1, 2. How many?
Ouch!
Count the flowers. 2. How many?
Hooray!
Count the socks. 1. How many?
Yoo!
Count the octopuses. 1, 2, 3. How many octopuses?
Hooray!
Count the rhombuses. 1, 2. How many?
Cool!
Count the moons. 1, 2, 3. How many?
Awesome!
Candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
Cool!
Count the mugs. 1, 2. How many?
Hooray!
Count the ball. 1, 2, 3. How many?
Great!
Count the fish. 1, 2. How many?
Cool!
Count the hearts. 1, 2. How many
Awesome!
are there?
Oh no!
How many pears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah!
How many? 1, 2, 3 are there? 5.
Perfect!
How many eggs are there?
Cool!
How many cupcakes? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent!
How many? 1, 2.
Awesome! Awesome!
1. How many? 2, 3, 4 are there?
Oh yeah!
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Excellent!
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah!
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yoo-hoo!
How many candies? 1, 2, are there? 3.
Awesome!
pepper on the pizza? 1. How many?
Let's go!
Place the candles on the cake. 1, 2, 3. How many? Place the cupcakes in the box. 2, 3. How many?
Let's go!
Place the candles on the cake. 2, 3. How many?
Great!
Place the mushroom on the pizza. 1. How many?
Awesome!
1, 2. How many?
Wow!
Place the candles on the cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
Hooray!
Place the onion rings on the pizza. 2, 3, 4. How? Place the cupcakes in the box. 2, 3. How many?
Let's go!
Place the candles on the cake. 2, 3. How many?
Awesome!
काटने का तुमसे
Pepperoni slices on the pizza. 1, 2, 3. How many?
Oh yeah!
Place the candles on the cake. 2, 3. How many?
Cool!
Place the cupcakes in the box. 2, 3. How many cupcakes? Place the candles on the cake. 2, 3, 4. How many?
Cool!
Place the mushrooms on the pizza. 3, 4, 5. How
Awesome!
many fences are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect!
How many cows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3.
Cool!
How How many shells are there? 1, 2, 3.
Great.
How many crabs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oopsie.
How many houses are there? 1, 2.
Oh, yeah.
How many tractors are there? 1, 2, 3.
Yoo-hoo!
How many horses are there? 1, 2.
Cool.
How many seahorses are there? 1, 2.
Excellent.
How many fish are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome. Hey, Nikki. It's time for fun. Yoo-hoo!
How many octopuses are there?